Hello, I'm Nate. If you plan to sell PPE product in vending machine, this video you cannot miss. To suit all kinds of product, we had made hanging slot, direct push slot, and spiral slot. At the side of the vending machine is the lockers from some big dimension product. Then I will show you the shopping flow. For example, now I want to buy a glove and the helmet from the locker. Click the screen into the buying page, select the glove, and then we need to select B1, it is from the helmet, and pay. Take the card. The glove is dropped. And then let's come to the locker side. See. If you are interested in such a vending machine from PPE product, please contact us for more information. Thank you.